Grow and care for leopard plant. In this video, we'll be discussing the leopard plant, or Farfugium japonicum, a unique ornamental plant known for its broad leaves with distinctive yellow spots, giving it a stunning, leopard-like appearance. Ligularia is another broadleaf houseplant that can grow up to 60 cm in height and has a fast growth rate. It features large, round leaves that are green with bright yellow spots. This plant is a member of the sunflower family. The leopard plant, scientifically known as Farfugium japonicum, is popular for its decorative look. Originally from the humid regions of Japan and Korea, it's known as the leopard plant due to its spotted leaves. Care for leopard plant. Lighting. This plant prefers medium light and thrives in indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can fade the beautiful spots on its leaves. Temperature. The leopard plant grows well in typical indoor temperatures, ideally between 1525 °C 5977 def, and can tolerate cooler conditions as well. Watering. The leopard plant requires consistently moist soil, but be cautious of overwatering, as soggy soil may lead to root rot. Humidity. This plant loves high humidity. You can mist the leaves occasionally or place it near a humidifier to maintain moisture. Soil. It thrives best in well-draining, slightly light soil, like a mix of potting soil and perlite. Fertilizer. During the growing season, feed the plant every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced houseplant fertilizer for optimal growth. Propagating the leopard plant. Division. This plant is easy to propagate through division. The best time to divide is in early spring. Root cutting. You can also propagate by separating side roots and planting them in a new pot. Common issues and solutions. Yellowing leaves. Yellow leaves may be a sign of low light or overwatering. Pests. You might encounter aphids or spider mites. Use natural insecticides to keep them under control. With its beautifully spotted leaves, the leopard plant is a perfect choice for decorating your indoor spaces, balcony, or patio. However, keep it out of reach of pets, as it can be mildly toxic. This video is your complete guide to caring for the leopard plant. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more plant care tips.